Hey everyone, welcome to Crafty Hackers. Today we're getting you ready to go back to school with our 5 hacks for your return to school. If you've studied our videos, you know you need to hit that notification bell to be the first to see our new videos. And while you're at it, like this video and click subscribe. Now sharpen your pencils and get ready to take notes, because you're not going to want to miss these 5 hacks. Our first hack is the Pomodoro technique for studying. In this hack, you'll set a timer for 25 minutes. During this 25 minutes, you're going to focus super hard on the task in front of you. If any distractions come to mind, make sure you just write them on a piece of paper and get back to them later. After the 25 minutes have passed, make a check mark on a piece of paper. Then take a 5-minute break and do something completely unrelated to the task in front of you. After 4 of these Pomodoro cycles, take a longer 30-minute break. This longer break every 4 cycles will help keep you from getting too burnt out. Marking down your Pomodoro cycles also helps you to estimate how long it'll take you to complete similar tasks in the future. Number 2. Use different colored pens and note cards as you write your notes. Changing your pen color or your note card color as you change subjects might help you to recall things in the future. When you're sitting down for that big test, and you can remember you wrote a fact down in green pen on a purple note card, it gets you that much closer to remembering the fact you are trying to recall. Writing your notes might be a little bit slower than typing your notes, but it helps you to listen more actively, and it helps you to identify important concepts. Number 3. When you're learning something new, try teaching someone else, or at least pretend to teach someone else. Teaching someone else about a topic forces you to learn a topic yourself. If your friend asks you a question you don't know the answer to, this will help you identify areas you need to study a little bit more. Number 4. Textbook cover. Start by cutting down the seam of a paper bag and cut out the bottom of the bag. Center the book vertically on the paper, then fold the top and bottom of the bag to fit the height of the book. Fold the paper around the textbook. Next, trim off any extra paper. You want the paper to be about 2 times the size of the cover of the book and fold over the inside edge. Next, slide the paper over the front cover of the book so the brown paper is smooth in the front. Wrap the paper around the spine of the book. Next, slide the back cover into the sleeve at the other end of the book cover. Lastly, decorate your book cover to customize it. This book cover is super cheap and easy, so even if you make a mistake, you can always make another. Hack number 5, the Notepad hack. While you're going from class to class, carry around a big notepad. The notepad gives you a place to track your assignments, write down any quick notes, or even list any to-do lists. But the best part is, when you write on a piece of paper on top of the notepad, It helps your pen to sink just a little bit deeper into the paper and helps improve your handwriting. And those were our back to school hacks. I promise not to give you a pop quiz on them. Leave a comment telling us your favorite way to get ready for the new school year. And make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!